Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're introducing a quite unique tool for electricians and anyone who needs to perform basic electrical safety checks, and that's no other than the FASTCHECK3010, the first pocket-sized multifunction tester. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying bulky installation testers. This new tool provides you with essential electrical testing functions in a compact, lightweight design that easily fits in your pocket. No more lugging around heavy equipment. Let's imagine you're on a job site needing to verify a socket safety quickly. This tool instantly confirms the correct wiring, preventing potential electrical hazards. For safety, it conducts RCD tests for types A, AC and F types, ensuring functionality and protecting against ground faults. The auto mode measures contact voltage for a comprehensive safety assessment. Now on to the heavy hitters, loop impedance testing. It measures earth resistance and short-circuit current while keeping the current low to avoid RCD tripping. Safety is our priority. Additionally, it measures voltage harmonics for up to the 49, identifying potential power quality issues that may damage the equipment and reduce energy efficiency. And the best part, you can store the test results and generate reports directly on your smartphone with the dedicated FASTCHECK app. No more scribbling on paper, just instant digital proof of your safety checks. Remember, safety is priceless, and with this pocket-sized hero, you'll always be prepared. Visit our website and order yours today. And just before you go, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.